So I finally received the individual addressable LED strip, and I was thinking of making an enhancement to the remote control of the bot. So this joystick is still to control. Pushing the button of the joystick will start mode 1, and you'll be able to toggle between forward light, back light, left light, right light. Pushing the button, the joystick again will enable mode 2. Mode 2 is for like a showcase or display, a light show. And there's 21 template, and I can toggle forward and backward with the buttons. Pressing again turns the light off on the bot. Sorry. So that was really tricky. I still have a couple of bugs, but I think I've nailed it pretty good. So lights on. So that's forward. Pressing the first button. Back light, left light, and all light. So front light, back light, left light, right light, all lights. Pushing again, start the sequence for showcase. So pressing, let's say going forward, it changes 21 different templates. We can see our mod 2 on. Still on. Let's see if I can. So let's go back using this one. So now it's going backwards. And then shutting it off, I can go back to the first mode. I think this is left, right, or left light, all lights, front light, back light, left, right, all. Cycle off. So yeah, that was pretty fun to code.